Hey guys, if you've ever looked at a stain on your sofa or your car seat and thought it was there for good, you probably haven't met the internet-famous BISSELL Little Green. There is a reason this specific machine is constantly going viral. It's hands down one of the most satisfying and effective ways to erase spots, spills, and ground-in dirt from basically any fabric surface in your life. The magic of the Little Green is that it's a professional-grade extractor in a tiny, portable body. It doesn't just scrub the surface. It uses a powerful spray and suction system to lift liquid and dirt out from deep within the fibers. Whether it's a coffee spill on the living room rug, a pet accident, or years of built-up grime on your car's upholstery, you can actually see the dirty water being pulled into the tank, which is incredibly rewarding. What I love about the 1400B model is how simple it is to use. It features a large 48-ounce water tank, so you aren't constantly running back to the sink to refill it while you're mid-clean. It also comes with exclusive specialty tools, like the Tough Stain tool, which is perfect for getting into tight corners or scrubbing out those stubborn, set-in messes. Plus, it's remarkably lightweight, so you can easily carry it out to the driveway to detail your car interior without breaking your back. Maintenance is just as easy as the cleaning itself. The tanks are removable and easy to rinse out, and the compact design means it tucks away on a closet shelf without taking up half your storage space. It's the ultimate peace of mind tool, knowing that no matter what gets dropped or spilled, you have the power to fix it in minutes. If you're ready to get your carpets and furniture looking brand new again, you need to grab one of these. Click the link below for the best price and see why this is the one cleaning tool everyone swears by.